always call and check with the dealer. See if there's any recalls. That's all I got to say, man. That's the biggest tip you can take from this, and this short video will tell you why. One Owner Car Guy, oneownercarguy.com. I sell all kinds of cars, all kinds of old cars. Most of my average things are 60s, 70s, 80s. Might get into the 90s. I don't sell many new cars. As you've seen from the title, how to get free auto repair and stuff like that. I don't know what I put up there. Get your motor replaced for free. I sell old stuff. Old Trans Ams, old Dodges, old vans. That van's probably one of the newest things on the lot. Got a newer Mercedes, but we don't get a lot of newer stuff. So, when I got this Hyundai, I was like, wow, I got a nice Hyundai, and I got a great deal on it. Well, they told me at the auction it was front end noise. Well, I really didn't care if it's an A-arm or some kind of tie rod end or something like that. And there's a knockin bottom end on the motor, man. It's a 2017. Check this thing out. It's absolutely gorgeous. Got it from my mama, and I'm gonna have her driving it around. A couple tiny little flaws. Interior's great. Panorama sunroof, all that. You name it, this thing has it. Super cool infinity system. This system outperforms that. It's probably just because this is a big box conducting. It's an ultimate, limited ultimate. But the motor's blown up. Oh boy.
Me, Baby Yoda.
Baby Yoda?
Well, it's actually a name, Vlad.
You're Vlad?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So essentially, I did a live stream yesterday. And during my live stream, I kind of talked about that and how butthurt I was over it. And one of my subscribers says, hey, why don't you call Hyundai and talk to them, because there was a big recall on that year for the bottom end of the motor. I'm like, huh? Dude, I gotta look you up and put it in here somewhere. I got a package for you. But I'm really grateful, because selling these old cars, I never even thought, hey, why don't I go ahead and look for a recall? No, when I ever had a recall on a 1978 Trans Am that I can remember, or a 1988 Cadillac Fleetwood, don't really exist. So I don't deal with recalls much. Warranty, if I have something under warranty, yeah. But I never even thought, hey, I'll call up and check for recalls. Sure enough, we call up, we check for recalls. It's usually 50,000 miles for the second owner, 100,000 miles for the first owner. However, since there was a recall, now it's a 150,000 mile warranty, and it's for first or whoever after. So now that warranty carries on. So basically, we called up, talked to them, took about 10 minutes. Not even that. Well, it did, because Rich ran out and got the VIN, different things like that. Sure enough, next Wednesday, we have an appointment for them to put a new motor in that truck, under warranty. So I just wanted to get that little tip out there, number one. And Jason Scott, get a hold of me. My phone number is in the description and stuff. Get a hold of me. Give me your address. I got a package for you. You can hit me up on Facebook too. You might not be able to send a message unless you're a friend. Just request me, whatever it takes. I don't mind. Anybody on here that wants to request me on Facebook is welcome to. But yeah, request me. It's Jason_Scott_. And dude, you really helped me out. And you're helping other people too at this point, hopefully. Hopefully somebody sees this that needs it. I don't care if you're just a single mom, a married mom, a hard-working single dad, a car dealer selling classic cars and never even thought about that. Something like just simply calling the dealer and asking. Just got about a $9,000 motor put in this thing. Probably $8,000, $9,000. So I'm stoked. Thank you, Jason Scott. Are you related to Michael Scott by any chance? Okay, that's that. It's just a quick video telling everybody, definitely call the dealer, get it checked out, because it might just be that it's under warranty. Can you imagine that? Check for recalls. I checked for recalls actually on the computer. It says there's no open recalls on that car. Call the dealer, absolutely is. So don't listen to these wonky sites and stuff. We did lots of research online. Ours. Just calling the dealer on a recall took care of it all. So thanks for watching. Have a great day or night. Check out some other videos. I'm putting up about 5 a week at this point, so check them out. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you. oneownercarguy.com. Subscribe, like, comment. Later.